Demo. It's Nikhil from Shopnama. Big round of applause for Nikhil.
Hi. Sorry, this is off. Hi, am I audible?
Yeah. Yes.
I am Nikhil. So I'll start off with a video, small video. It's a very small video.
People at the back can't hear you.
Close to me. Okay, I'll put it close.
Speak up. That's a good video. What do you?
That's a suspense, okay? You'll get something good.
Suspense.
Something extremely good is gonna happen now. Dude, refresh it.
With tomatoes means nothing, and you have to add that further the birthday gift for Mickey. With every time it had, Mickey wanted to obey the best possible lead around him to safely pass. But where does he even begin? Hopeless Mickey was received by his best friend Donald, who introduced him to a fantastic mobile shopping app, Shopnama. Shopnama uses your location to find great deals and offers around you from any store. This app lets you use brand categories and filters to narrow down the search results. You can even subscribe to your favorite stores and categories, and Shopnama will ensure that you never miss out a deal again. Mickey gifted a beautiful top after striking an amazing deal with Shopnama. So try Shopnama now and start making the best buying decisions. Thank you.
So forgive that blank screen. It's because of our laptop. Okay, so I'm Nikhil Bansal, and I have my co-founder Deepak Modak. So we represent Shopnama. A very good evening to all of you. So Shopnama is an online platform which is created to provide a convenience to offline shoppers. The people who are actually interested in buying offline, we want to create a platform for them. So the idea is that whenever you have an intent for shopping, and so what exactly do you do right now? You actually go to go to an online platform, look for all the deals that you have around you. I mean, not actually around you. Look for all the deals that are available, and you avail those deals. So what we are trying to do is, we are actually trying to create an online platform wherein you get all the deals that are around you from offline stores. So in this case, you actually get the benefit of availing the deal, as well as get the touch and feel of the product that you're trying to buy. So that is what Shopnama is all about. So we'll start off with so this is a mobile app that we have created. The screen resolution is gone. So this is the landing page. So let's say, so as soon as you land on the page, you get actually all the offers that are around you. So this is 0 kilometers away from your location, current location, and you can actually filter out your results based on the brands or categories. He'll show you that it's a lag there. So you can actually filter it out based on the categories and brands. So the idea is that people are very particular about shopping. They want to go in for a particular product, or maybe for a particular brand, or maybe for a particular category in such a case. So we provide a platform wherein you can actually filter it out with what you want to buy. So there is another differentiator that we believe is something that nobody has done till now. We believe that if you have something in mind, let's say you want to buy a watch, and what do? You actually start searching for it online because you don't have a store available right next to you. So what you want to do is you can actually go to the app, register what you want to buy. As soon as whenever you're close to a place which sells that particular category product, we actually tell you that this particular product is just right next to you. Just right next to you, and you can actually go and buy it and avail the deal as well at the same time.
What are you looking for and what's your background?
So I did my BTech from IIIT Allahabad. He's my friend. So we met in IIIT in first year. So we created an awesome extension, Chrome extension, Facebook bookmark post. Please try it out. If you get time, try it out right now. It has a lot of users right now also. It has around like 1,000 users or something. So and we are looking for someone who's expert in UI, who knows the UI element and the design element well, and someone who has good contacts in the retail market, who can actually make us reach out to them, convince them to onboard on ShopNow.
Awesome. Thank you.